Hey everyone, it's Mark, and today we're taking a look at a sovereign citizen who wants to represent himself in court but claims he doesn't understand anything. So the judge assigns him a lawyer. Let's roll the video!
Marty.
This name of this contract does not refer nor identify the male standing in this corporation. I, Jamil Marty, being forced to go against my will and my best interest. My right of due process have been impeded upon. Also, my Fourth and Fifth Amendment right have been violated. I invoke my rights of the Constitution to protect me and my best interest. I invoke my Fifth Amendment.
Okay. All right, then you vote the Fifth Amendment right, so you're not asking to testify. What are you asking me to do?
First of all, I have the right to face my accuser.
Listen. What are you asking me to do today, Mr.
You
Camardi?
saying I don't understand.
Mr. Camardi, what are you asking me today? I'm gonna give you one.
No, I don't need him on my case.
Okay, are you listen, what are you asking me to do?
Or this one right here. This both them two right there.
Okay.
I got some that's conspiracy on what they trying to do.
Okay, what do you want me to do?
Continue my trial.
No, sir. Motion denied. What are you asking me to do? What are you asking me to do, Mr. Camardi?
A fair trial.
All right, right now you're gonna get a fair trial. Is there anything you're asking me to do right now?
I'm saying I don't need them on my case.
What are you asking me to remove them?
Yes, sir.
And then are you gonna represent yourself, or are you gonna hire another attorney?
I'd rather represent myself to get an attorney.
You already sworn in, so state your name again.
Jamil Camardi, sir.
Mr. Camardi, you're asking to represent yourself next week. Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you understand that you're looking at life in prison if convicted of two life sentences.
Okay.
You understand that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you understand you've been offered a 25-year plea deal?
Yes, sir.
This guy is facing 2 life sentences and he wants to represent himself at trial. In my opinion, he's a lot better off taking the 25-year plea deal. I'm gonna guess he learned this sovereign citizen stuff from Darrell Brooks, and it's only a matter of time before he challenges
subject matter jurisdiction.
And when you said before you didn't understand that, you were not being truthful with the court. Is that correct?
I mean, I'm saying yes, sir, to say yes, sir. I'm guessing you agreeing with me. I don't know.
No, I'm asking you a question. So you don't understand that. Is that correct?
Understand what?
That you have been offered 25 years in prison if you pled no contest and that would settle your cases. Do you understand that?
I don't know how to answer that.
You're going to have to answer my questions if you want to represent yourself, sir. If not, I'm not going to find you competent to represent yourself.
Yes, sir.
Do you understand you've been offered 25 years in prison? Is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you said before you didn't understand that you were not being truthful with the court, is that
It's
correct?
a lot that's going on that I don't understand.
Listen to me.
Yes, sir.
You were not being truthful with the court. Is that correct?
I'm not gonna say I'm being truthful.
When you
I
said
don't understand.
you don't understand.
You got to talk to me in a level where I got to
Yes, sir. I'm talking to you the same level.
But some of it I don't understand because there's some shit.
So you don't understand what's going on?
Half of it I don't.
If you don't understand what's going on, how do you expect to represent yourself at trial? This isn't gonna work out in your favor.
How far did you get in school?
9th grade.
And you read and write?
Barely. I could barely spell.
Okay. And you understand if you represented yourself, you'd have to do everything a lawyer
I'm gonna
did.
do what I can that I've been trying to do.
Do you understand you'd have to do
I
everything?
do better than him.
Listen to me. If you want to represent yourself, you've got to answer these questions. If not, I can't allow you to represent yourself. So
I ain't trying to make a fool of myself, but Yana, I don't need them two on my case.
okay. You can barely read and write. Is that correct?
I learned.
You're gonna pick a jury Monday morning. I'm not continuing the case. And you're gonna try the case next week if you represent yourself.
Okay.
And you read and write.
I'm gonna learn.
You don't have time to learn. So you can barely read and write. Is that correct? You don't understand about the plea offer. Do you understand that lawyers are trained in the rules of evidence, criminal procedure, and the law? They're there to assist you in preparing for trial and trying the case. Do you understand that? Okay, well, I'm going to find that you're not competent to represent yourself. Mr. Salim will stay on his case. Mr. Williams will stay on that case, and we'll see you Monday morning and pick a jury.
All right.
This defendant really wanted to represent himself but didn't understand anything. Good on the judge for not falling for his delay tactic and keeping his lawyers. Honestly, from the sound of it, this guy should just take the 25-year plea deal in my opinion. As always, I would like to give a big shout out and thank you to all of my channel members for your support. I really appreciate all of your support, and all of you are awesome. And that's gonna do it for this video. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.